Hello again, it's Sarah from Biamp Remote Sales. Today, I would like to take you through some of the benefits of using Biamp's room bundles with Google Meet. The Biamp room bundles come complete with everything you need for audio installation of a Google Meet conference room, including our award-winning Parlay beam tracking microphones. Our microphones not only provide extraordinary audio quality to the far end, but also provide ease of commissioning because beam tracking eliminates the need to manually set up beams. With our speech sense algorithm, our mics actively search for human voices in the room and focus the DSP resources on processing human speech, not on unwanted noise. When installing a room bundle for Google Meet Room, use our Google Meet specific room deployment tool. This tool will program the system with a file that is optimized for Google Meet. Using the deployment tool typically reduces commissioning time to under 5 minutes. For more information about how Biamp's room bundles can save you installation and commissioning time, regardless of the UC platform you are using, contact your Biamp sales manager or visit us at biamp.com. Thank you and hope to see you soon for another Expert Connections.